Now we're going to start by making 9 chain stitches. So first make a slip knot, and then make 9 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to follow that with 4 slip stitches. To do a slip stitch, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, and we're going to pull up a loop, and we're going to pull this loop through the loop that was already on our hook. So that's a slip stitch. That's 1. We're going to do 3 more. Now once you've done your 4 slip stitches, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're also going to skip 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and in the last stitch we're going to do a slip stitch. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn your work. Now inside the space that would be here, we're going to do 9 unfinished treble crochets. To do that, we're going to yarn over or hook 2 times. So 1, 2, insert or hook inside the space and pull up a loop. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, but I'm not going to finish the treble crochet. I'm going to leave this loop on my hook. Now I've done 1, I'm going to do 8 more. So yarn over the hook twice, insert it into the space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 2. Let's do 7 more. Now once completed, you should have 10 loops in total on your hook. And what we're going to do is that we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do that until we only have 1 loop left on our hook. Now this is one side of our leaf. We're going to do the other now, and we're going to do that by turning over our work like this, and then inside the space we're going to go ahead and complete 9 unfinished treble crochets. So the same as before. And once completed, we're going to do the same as we did before, where we yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do that until we only have 1 loop remaining on our hook. And when completed, chain 1, and then we're going to go ahead and cut our yarn and pull it through. Now take a crochet needle, I'm going to thread it, and I'm just going to weave my yarn through the stitches at the side to hide the tail. I'm going to cut my yarn, I'm just going to weave it going around here to tighten the circle. This is the final look. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!